Hi, today we are going to learn how to compare and interpret the dispersions based on histogram and frequency polygon. Our learning standard is to compare and interpret the dispersions of two or more sets of grouped data based on histogram and frequency polygon, hence make conclusion. Distribution shapes of data. When describing a group data, it is important to be able to recognize the shapes of the distribution. The distribution shapes can be identified through a histogram or frequency polygon. The results of mind mobilization tool show that a distribution is symmetric if the shape and size of the distribution are almost the same when divided into two parts, left and right. The shape of distribution is skewed if one tail of the histogram is longer than the other tail. Here are some symmetric histogram: bell-shaped, uniform-shaped, right-skewed, left-skewed. Other distribution shapes are U-shaped, J-shaped, reverse-shaped, bimodal shaped. Let's see example 5. The diagram below shows two histograms representing the time taken by 25 swimmers to complete two different events. Question A. State the distribution shape of the histogram for the two events. The solution. A. The histogram for the 100-meter backstroke shows a bell-shaped distribution, and for 100-meter freestyle shows a uniform distribution. B. Which event has a wider dispersion of the time taken? Give your reason. Solution. The 100-meter backstroke event has a wider dispersion because the difference of the time recorded is larger than is 30 seconds, 102 seconds to 72 seconds. Question C. Between backstroke and freestyle, in which event did the swimmers perform better? The solution. 100-meter freestyle. This is because most of the swimmers recorded a better time. Example 6. The frequency polygon below shows the selling prices of the houses that were sold in two different areas in the last 6 months. This is the graph of selling prices of houses in Area A and Area B. Question A. State the distribution shapes in the two areas. Solution. A. The distribution shape of the selling prices in Area A is skewed to the right, whereas in Area B is skewed to the left. Question B. Compare the dispersions of the house prices in the two areas. The dispersions of the selling prices in Area A and Area B are approximately the same even though their distribution shapes are different. Question C. In your opinion, which area represents an urban area and which area represents a rural area? Solution. Area A represents a rural area because most of the selling prices are lower, whereas Area B represents an urban area because most of the selling prices are higher. Till we meet again, please do self-practice 7.1b. Bye bye.